Hi friends, this is your Blender Boy Dinesh. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Halloween pumpkin. In this video you can get a knowledge about how to add boolean bool add-on and how to add a background HDRI image and how to cut bool cut. Okay, so let's start by adding a sphere, UV sphere. Change these segments into an odd number like 33. Enter OK. Now go to the edit mode. Now select an edge, shift, alt, and select this one. Okay. And deselect and shift, alt, click, and leave these two and select again. And okay, now scale these edges, scale S and scale that. Yes, this enough. And let's bevel it because pumpkin edges are not sharp. So Control B for bevel. And yes, this much. Okay, this much enough. And after bevel, you change here the segments of bevel. 3. Enter. Is now let's squeeze at the top and bottom parts. To do that, click the face selection, click this circle and tick this one, proportional editing. So if you add a tick proportional editing, you can move these things together nearby points. So tick that one and go to this transform and drag this down. Drag this down along the now scale it, scroll down and it's enough. Do that same thing bottom to the bottom. Okay. Control go to the front view, scale. Yeah, enough. Okay, now let's smooth this one. So click that one and add modifier properties. Yeah, add a subdivision surface. Change it to enough. Even you can see the square. So click the right click and shade. It's okay. And apply. Now change. Let's apply materials for this one. Click and material and click this base color and change. It's okay, and reduce roughness here. Okay, now let's add a hook for this pumpkin. So go to the front view, and okay, front view, and it's not in object edit mode, no? So add a mesh and cylinder, scale it down and move it up along the z-axis. Okay, and edit mode, give a loop cut here and drag somewhere here. Okay, and select face, click the face and shift G, perimeter, yeah, and scale, and reduce, scroll down to reduce the scale, and inside, scale inside. Okay, now scale delete. Okay, now go to the wireframe mode and just select these vertices and grab it down along the text. You can see that enough, and go to the object mode, and grab it around the axis. Now go to the edit mode again and select the face and click the face, and go to the front view and rotate, escape, rotate and scroll it down and along, rotate along X, rotate along Y, and extrude this face again, E, and rotate along X axis, rotate along the Y axis, and again extrude. That's fine. Now okay, scale it down. No, scroll up. Okay, and go to the object mode again, and let's apply subdivision surface. modifier properties and add subdivision surface to enter, and go to the edit mode and make a loop cut. Now we are here, drag it down, make another loop cut here, loop cut here, it's fine. So leave the click the leave edit mode. So now let's apply this one, and right click, shade, smooth, and let's apply material for this one. So click here, material properties, and add new material, change the color into dark green, dark, okay, and reduce the roughness like plastic. So leave it, okay, it's perfect. So let's add okay, let's add a copy of this pumpkin. So select two, shift D, and move along x-axis. Okay, delete. Too far. Now move this one also. From view. Okay. Now let's add some SVG images to cut these pumpkin faces. It's okay. I will show you. So in order to add SVG image, go to the file, and import scalable vector graphics SVG. So click that. I have downloaded some images already. So check there. Here we go. This my SVG sample. So let's add this one and import. After import, it will come here. So zoom it and here. We don't need this pumpkin here. These are the files. You can see. So this pumpkin shape, we don't need that. So delete that one. And this other bit also we don't need. Delete. And select these four. Select these four and join those as one object. So Control J to join. So it became one object. It's a one curve, and scale it. So scale it again. Okay, enough. So view, rotate that one along, type 90 degrees. It's 90, one minus 90. Rotate. around this way 180. Okay, again rotate this one along, rotate along x axis. Okay. Mm, let's apply here. Okay. Mm, 90. Okay, and grab that one. Here, go to the front view. Okay, grab it down along that axis. Click shift origin to scale. This is fine. Now move near to the pumpkin. Grab. Uh, these are curve files. Means we imported from SPG image, so we cannot extrude using edit mode. We cannot extrude that. So there are two ways to extrude this one. First one, add a modifier solidify. Okay, and change the length, thickness. It will, you can extrude. So when we use a solidify modifier, we cannot cut the, we cannot use boolean tools. So this is not the correct way, and this will not work. So undo that one. Okay, and the perfect method is here. You click that SVG curve image, and here the object data properties. Click and go to the geometry and extrude that one. So 0.01, 0.03. Okay, it's enough. Let's move this one. Grab y-axis. Oh, y-axis. Okay. And another thing, this one is still a curve, not a mesh. So we need to convert this extruded this object to mesh. So right click and convert to mesh. Now it's okay. So we can use a boolean modifier here. To the boolean modifier. Before that, we need to select the pumpkin. So select the pumpkin and go to the boolean modifier. Go to the modifier properties and add boolean modifier. Click this object. Sometimes this boolean modifier will not work. So this is, I think this worked. So let's delete this. No, it didn't work. So control that. Mm, So just change this operand type as collection. Wait a minute, and select the collection 9391. Okay. So let's delete. Wait a minute. No, it didn't work. So control Z, remove. Let's apply. No, yeah, it worked. So we need to apply that one. It worked. Uh, yeah, this is fine. Otherwise, there's a Boolean bool tool in add-on area. So let's check that one also. So let me undo this one. Control, control that. Again, again, again. Remove this one. Okay. Mm, Here, edit. Go to the edit and preferences and search here bool. Bool. Yeah. And tick that one and tick this arrow. You can see the the Boolean tool here. View 3D sidebar and edit tab. We can change the tab name. Edit. Change the tab name as bool. Bool. That's okay. Okay. Now it's okay. Click press and close. This is the sidebar, no? So right here we go. Our Boolean tool is here. So in order to use this Boolean tool, we need to select both objects. So this mesh object and this object. So just select both, and we need to select uh, the second object should be we should select the object as second to keep them. So I select first this um, SVG file object and shift and select the pumpkin. So pumpkin selected as a yellow line, and okay, that's the perfect. So go to the bool, and auto boolean give a difference. Okay, so it's okay, it's fine. And that one, go to the edit mode. It's okay. These eyes are hanging pieces. If you want, you can keep or you can delete. Let me keep. And select the pages you want to delete. Mm, Mm, okay, leave it, it's fine. So let's add a point light. So go to big mode, add light here, point light. So bring the point light, yeah, into the pumpkin and top view and grab it. Okay, and increase the power of the light. So point light, and increase the power into 1000. You can see it's not enough, I think. 10,000. It's not enough. So change it as you want and change the color and red. Color and change the power into 10,000. The power we see this power is not enough because these holes are small. If we remove this area and this area, it's okay. So let's add another SPG file to this one. Quickly do it. Add no import SPG. Select this ghost and open. Uh, size. Select 3. Select this. Control J. And click set origin geometry. Scale it. Okay. Complete. This way into 90. grab one, change the rotation to +9. Grab one, okay, grab and geometry. Mm, right click, convert to mesh. This is the important part. Set, go to bool,